Are you looking for a unique and delicious spread to elevate your toast or crackers? Look no further than Divina Orange Fig Spread Jam, made with all natural ingredients and no preservatives. This spread is a perfect combination of sweet and tangy that will add a burst of flavor to your meals. The figs and oranges used in Divina Orange Fig Spread Jam are carefully selected for quality and ripeness. These fruits are grown in the Mediterranean region and are known for their sweet and tangy flavors. The figs and oranges are hand-picked and carefully prepared to ensure that each jar of Divina Orange Fig Spread Jam is of the highest quality. The figs are cooked with oranges to create a unique and delicious spread that combines the sweet and tangy flavors of the fruits. When you open a jar of Divina Orange Fig Spread Jam, the first thing you'll notice is the sweet and tangy aroma. The spread itself is thick and spreadable, with chunks of figs and oranges throughout for added texture. The taste is truly something special. The figs are naturally sweet, and the oranges add a tangy and refreshing twist. Together, they create a balance of flavors that make for a truly unique and satisfying taste. Divina Orange Fig Spread Jam is versatile and can be used in a variety of ways. Spread it on toast or crackers for a simple snack, or use it as a topping for your morning yogurt. You can even use it as a glaze for meat or add it to a cheese plate for a delicious and unexpected twist. So next time you're looking for a new spread to try, give Divina Orange Fig Spread Jam a chance. You won't be disappointed. The above script is a general idea, and it is not a review. It is just general information about Divina Orange Fig Spread Jam and its uses.